Good morning, everyone. Our topic for today is about saving. I guess most of us have experienced having a piggy bank or a coin bank where we keep our loose change, extra allowance, or cash gift. Having a coin bank is the first step in saving. I have a question for you. If you have 10,000 pesos in your pocket right now, what will you buy? Some of you might have answered new clothes and shoes, Nintendo and PS4 games, photo cards and concert tickets, or food. Or some of you might have said, I will not spend it, I will save it. And that brings us to our topic and also our essential question for today. What is saving and why is it important? First, the definition of saving. Saving is when you take a portion of your earnings and instead of spending it now, you park it away to use later. For an adult, earnings could be from a job, freelancing, or a business. For kids like you, earnings are from allowance, cash gift, or chore money. Allowances are the snack or lunch money that you receive daily. Cash gifts are received for special occasions such as birthday or Christmas, and the chore money is the amount you receive for doing house chores such as walking the dogs or watering the plants. How can you start saving? The easiest way is to simply set aside a portion of income or your allowance before spending. But it is much easier to save when you have a specific goal in mind, whether that's a long term goal like college education or a short term goal such as taking a vacation or buying a bike or going to concerts. With a specific goal, you will be motivated, knowing you are saving for something that you really want. Should you spend or save first? You have to strike a balance between the money you spend and the money you save, and this balance is different for everybody. For example, as much as you want to save for the upcoming concert of your bias, do not sacrifice not having lunch to save your money. After all, your health is more important than the concert tickets. But as a general rule, after spending on essentials such as food and school supplies, you should save a portion of the remaining allowance before spending for the non essentials or for your wants. Why is saving important? First, saving gives you peace of mind, knowing that you will have enough money in case of emergencies. Second, saving teaches you to distinguish between needs and wants because you have to spend first on the needs before the wants. Third, saving fosters good money management habits that will benefit you as you get older. And lastly, saving helps you achieve your financial goals faster. For example, if you were saving to buy a gaming console and happened to like some expensive shoes, you would be forced to weigh whether or not it's worth getting the shoes and delay getting the gaming console. The habit of saving makes you or helps you make smart money choices by automatically reducing unnecessary purchases. When you have a saving goal in mind, you will not spend your money on wants. As to how much money should you save, the exact amount you should save varies from person to person, but As a general rule, you should save at least 10% of your disposable income, and in your case, your allowance. A good way to find out how much you can afford to save is by keeping a journal of all your expenses and deciding which ones you are okay living without. Then, start cutting out some of the non essential purchases and instead save that money towards more meaningful goals. And before we end this video, let me share with you our big idea for today. Saving money enables us to buy things that we want in the future, and it also helps us in times of emergencies. That will be all. Thank you for listening.